Today, Otis and I have come down to the Bedford-Sackville Greenway Connector Trail. Connects the communities of Lower Sackville and Bedford here in Nova Scotia. So this is where the Little Sackville River here and joins up with the actual Sackville River over here. It's amazing to see how low the water is even here on the Sackville River. This should be all underwater. We're walking adjacent to the Bedford rifle range right now, and you can see way up there all the traffic on the 102 heading into Halifax. Oh my. I remember my times in the militia, the Princess Louise Fusiliers. We'd often be down here at the rifle range practicing rifle drills and machine guns and handguns and the whole kit and caboodle. Those are the days. I always thought they did an extra special thing here for the youth by painting this tunnel. Makes them feel part of the community. So this is the part of the trail that goes under that busy Highway 102. So passing under Highway 102 here brings us into the community of Bedford. And here we're on what is known as the Bud Bremner Field, otherwise known as Range Field too. We used to rent the whole place for sports day activities at the last school I taught at. Those were some fun times. Dear Otis. Coming around that last bridge, that pretty well marks our turning around point. Come down here to the Bedford Place Mall. So many stores have changed hands in there over the years that I can't even keep track. I'm gonna have a little bit. Other than that, the rest is yours. Turning out to be quite a warm day. Supposed to eventually get to 28 degrees before the end of the week. Pretty well heard of for this time of year. My goodness. Well, Otis, we'll head on back. My goodness, sure sounds like there's a lot of action on that range today.